Totalkare's mobile column lifts generally suitable for lifting the heavier side of the industry, so vehicles such as your buses, coaches, trucks, waste and recycling vehicles. Now they are fully mobile, so they come with a simple jacking handle on the back of the column. Once you release that into a downward position, you can then push the column lift around. Totalkare's mobile column lifts can be configured in sets of 4, 6 or 8 with a total lifting capacity of up to 60 tonne. Now this is cut down into 7.5 tonne per column. Each column does also come with adjustable wheel forks on the bottom, meaning you can adjust them to pick up any different wheel sizes. There are 4 identical columns on the T8 range, meaning you can operate it from any corner. So the T8DC, that's your fully cable-free version. So there's no interconnecting cables on these, which in busy workshops can save on trips and slips. Now these charge up off your standard 240 volt sockets. You generally get between about 3 and 5 working days on one single charge. Now the T8AC, they're an identical column to the DCs, but this version is connected via cables. So you've got interconnecting cables that require 3-phase power. And so the G8 column lift, this is a fully galvanised lift, generally used for wash bays or outdoor use. They talk to each other through interconnecting cables and require 3-phase power. Yeah, so Totalkare has been supplying mobile column lifts for over 40 years now. There's been a variety of different models across that term. The older models that we take back in as part exchange, we do fully refurbish them and test them under maximum weight in the workshop before sending them on to a customer. Just to let you know that Totalkare offer flexible finance options, so whether you're looking at an outright purchase, whether you're looking at just outright finance on them or leasing them, you even have the offer to do a short-term hire. We do also offer a full service repair and maintenance package, and so we've got Totalkare engineers up and down the country that'll be able to service and repair your lifts. So we've always got people available to talk on the phone or video chat. We can also set up a site survey if needed, so we can have a face-to-face meeting. Just give the office a call and we'll take it from there. Alternatively, you can look on our website. We've got lots of brochures and spec sheets available to look at.